Are you dealing with heavy, hard-to-reach plant equipment that needs replacement? Is the project the kind that keeps you up at night and can cause prolonged downtime? You need to manage costs, reduce risks, eliminate interruptions, and maintain schedules. How will you get it all done? Bring Barnhart on board early and we'll create an elegant solution to these common challenges. At Barnhart, we've engineered tools and techniques to tackle your toughest maintenance and modification projects, allowing you to manage cost, reduce risk, and shorten downtime. Our North American network of experienced engineers and talented field leaders work with you to thoroughly understand your objectives, analyze your plant-specific obstacles, and determine a strategy that streamlines the critical path. Our specialized tools are designed to handle even the most congested and challenging plant environment, ensuring safety and efficiency every step of the way. If your job requires a new approach, our team will design a custom solution to meet your needs. At Barnhart, we understand what's at stake for you. We've assisted countless customers in similar situations, helping them navigate their remove and replace projects with confidence and peace of mind. We want to show you how we can bring this value to your plant. Where others see challenges, we see solutions. Let Barnhart help you bring innovation to your next component replacement project. Schedule a project diagnostic call with our team today.